Maquinsa is the leading supplies manufacturer for the disposable hygiene industry in Mexico. More than 35 years of experience. We are specialists in the production of high-quality nonwoven fabrics for several industries, vertically integrated into the value chain. Innovation in formulas for different purposes: cosmetics, hygiene, pets, home, and more. Disposable washcloths line, the first and only one in the Americas. As a socially responsible company, we use state-of-the-art technology to ensure a smaller environmental footprint. Our plant is powered with sustainable energy. Our main goal is to develop more sustainable and environmentally friendly materials. We are leaders in Mexico and Latin America, with a presence in the United States market. Essential innovations in ultra-soft and high-performance materials for the disposable hygienic industry and filtration, innovation in cosmetic formulas, fabrics, and packaging designs to solve the needs of our clients and consumers. Our brand portfolio offers unique and differentiated concepts: Caro, Made It Clean, Bless You, Toilette, multiple available formats, flat pack, mini packs, and canisters. Some of the business partners who trust us. Maquinsa, Nonwoven Innovation.